So over here you can see that I have this Jotboard right here, and let's say I want to present this to someone. So in that case you can actually go ahead and use the laser pointer. Once you do that, if you were to click and drag, then what happens is that that particular area will be highlighted for a while. Even when you're presenting right here, you can see that this is what you have. You don't really have access to the pointer right here. So it only works when you're actually over here on the editor mode right here. So now what's the use of this then? So you can actually go ahead and point right here, but what actually happens right here is when another user is there at the same time, they can also go ahead and use the pointer, and you can see that as they go ahead and draw out, you can see that the same area highlights up right here. So when you highlight, they will be able to see it right here as well, and when you highlight, you'll be able to see their highlight as well. So this is very helpful whenever you're collaborating in the document at the same time. And even the highlight color right here, you can see that the other user is one color and you will have one color, which makes the highlighting, that is the laser pointer, distinct as well. So that is how you can go ahead and use laser pointer inside of Jotboard. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.